Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
We're diving straight into getting you set up with YouTube Premium for 2025. Imagine enjoying all your favorite videos without any interruptions from ads. It's a game changer. Plus, you can keep videos playing in the background on your phone, even when you switch apps. And for those times you're offline, downloading content is incredibly convenient. To begin, simply open the YouTube app on your smartphone or go to YouTube. Using any web browser on your computer. Once there, keep an eye out for a prominent banner promoting YouTube Premium, often at the top of the page. Alternatively, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. A menu will appear, and you'll find Get YouTube Premium listed among the options. Now it's time to pick the plan that suits you best. YouTube offers an individual plan, perfect for one person, usually priced at about $13.99 each month in 2025. If you're sharing with loved ones, consider the family plan, which lets up to 5 members in your household enjoy all the premium features. Students with valid eligibility can also snag a great deal, paying around $7.99 monthly. Next, you'll securely enter your payment details, which could be a credit card, debit card, or even PayPal. Before you click to confirm, take a moment to double-check your chosen plan and ensure the monthly cost aligns with what you expect. Don't forget, if you're a new subscriber, you'll likely be offered a free trial, usually for about 1 month. Once everything looks good, just hit the Buy or Start Free Trial button to complete your purchase. Congratulations, you're now a YouTube Premium member. You can instantly start watching all your favorite content completely ad-free, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or smart TV. Enjoy the convenience of background play, keeping your audio going even if you minimize the app. Plus, downloading videos for offline viewing is a breeze, perfect for travel. Don't forget your included access to YouTube Music Premium. It truly enhances your entire entertainment experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.